It is March 30th, 2026. We are at the entrance of the community food forest at the northern part, which is bare, so to speak. We scatter some barley and we see it growing, and it's very successful. We're very happy with it. And now we're going to take some vetch and spread it in between the barley. We want to see how it does. And then we're going to sprinkle some alfalfa here. We want to see, we're expecting rains the next few days. So we want to see how the vetch does and how the barley does. And how the alfalfa does. We're hoping that combination of the barley will give us the cover we need for the vetch to grow, and also and hopefully some of the alfalfa can grow. We will see. So this is what the northern section of the community food forest looks like. This is the barley growing, and there's some vetch. The barley is only about 5 centimeters high, so we're dropping the vetch in between that. I don't know if it's going to be enough to be protected and for it to sprout and grow, but we're trying. This is what we're after. We're after this much coverage of vetch and green cover. So we're going from a bare piece of land to slowly getting it covered. That's the objective.